In this lab, you will be separating your unknown sample from a contaminant using a method called recrystallization. Prepare a hot water bath using a beaker and a hot plate. The next thing you need to do is determine which solvent will work best for your experiment. To do this, you will test 4 different solvents: methanol, ethanol, acetone, and water. Grab 4 test tubes and label each with the solvent you are using. Then place a spatula tip full of your sample into each of the 4 test tubes and add a minimal amount of each solvent into the corresponding tube. Note the initial reaction to each solvent. Do any of the samples dissolve immediately? Then place each of the test tubes into a pre-prepared hot water bath and let them sit. Watch the samples carefully. If any begin to boil, remove it from the hot water bath. Once each solution has been heated for a few minutes, transfer the test tubes into an ice bath and allow the samples to cool undisturbed for a few minutes. Look for the formation of crystals in each sample, which indicates the solvent you want to use. Note that more than one solvent may work for you, but use your best discretion to pick one. If none of the solvents work to your satisfaction, then you may want to try a mixture of solvents. Weigh out about 100 milligrams of your unknown sample. The scale is in grams, so be sure you do your conversion correctly. Transfer your unknown sample into a test tube and dissolve in 1 to 2 milliliters of your chosen solvent. Add a boiling chip directly into your sample and then place your sample in the hot water bath and let it sit until your sample has fully dissolved. Then transfer your sample into an ice bath and allow crystals to form. While your sample is cooling, set up a Hirsch filter apparatus like the one in the weighing and filtration lab. Filter your sample and use forceps to remove the boiling chip. Collect the solid filtrate and transfer it into a pre-weighed vial. Record the mass of your crystals. Obtain an IR and UV spectrum as well as a melting point.